And the first one we have is drones have returned to Cinesational Nighttime Spectacular.
Yes. So last year they were discontinued because it was not in Universal. It was in Orlando.
It was an Orlando drone show around the 4th of July.
And somebody got injured from a falling drone, basically.
A little boy. They actually had to do open heart surgery.
Oh, poor kid. So Universal's like, okay, we're just not going to do it anymore because I think that was it the FAA that restricted it.
The FAA, they were investigating. I believe the company that was running it, it may have been the same company that's done it for Universal before. I don't know if that's true or not. I can't remember. But I think Universal just as a whole was like, we're going to pause this for now as they do their investigation. Like Universal has, none of the drones they do for this show are near people. Yeah. This show was like in a park, right over people. Something happened and a bunch of drones came crashing down, which is why they, in theme parks, they don't fly the drones over people for that reason. So, yeah, they had said they were going to pause it. And then just recently, they announced they were coming back to Cinesational.
Yeah, a couple weeks ago, a week or two ago, maybe. It hasn't been that long. But they are running the drones now. The other night, I know specifically, a couple nights actually, they didn't use the drones the whole time. Still a great show, but there may be times if you were going to watch it here in the near future, you may see them not use the drones in specific parts or whatever. So they're still it seems like they're still slowly bringing them back or changing it up if they need to.
Yeah, I will say the drones add a cool element to that show. I love that show. It's not the same level of say a Happily Ever After. It's kind of more of I think it's a better version of Phantasmic.
So, okay. Yeah, without the live person or characters in the show. Yeah. Yeah.
Because they use the water, they have the music with the shows, they got the fireworks, you got the drones. It's a really cool show, and the drones actually add a lot to it. So I was very happy to see the drones coming back.
I think they maximize the space and what they had available in that area doing what they did.
Yes.
With the drones, the fountains, the lasers, and the lighting and all that stuff. So, yeah, I would agree.
Agreed.